Kitanat yada na Khubor Mariang District Disaster Management Agency jong Khuborkhjylla kila Sdang ye ke Yuva Aapda Mitra Volunteers Training Program bahnyosngi ye ke Samla Pule National Cadet Corps National Social Service NEHU Yuva Kendra Sangathan badi ki Bharat Scouts and Guides hanongpo. Kani ka training program kan hikai kini ki volunteers kumno ban ai ki jingeda ki jingerap pat jingkershan ni ki paipa haba khi kanu ka jingthom ki bor mariang kum hau jumai bapulu ki ing ki sem ki jing shlei haba bthei bom bat ha ki jingjia ki bawanra ki jingmai ki jing em jing ki briu ki jing hikai ha kani ka training program ki long ki babha ki bajalliu bat ki bayar en hikai ru ban penon kam ye ki tiar jingeda haba khi kanu ka jing kelang ki bor mariang ye ki jing embryo ki Samla puli ni ki college bat ki school hathem ri Bhoi ki nyo shibun ki jing start ba ki jing tip na kani ka training ha kani ka sngi Sdang ya ka training la don lang ki he ki han na DC office na ki school bat college bat na ki kenhun ki ban ai jing hikai ha kani ka program
survival skills. Okay, so one of the most basic things that I think that this training will be the kind of training that will be important to you under the leadership of our service team and other like from dbmnTv, from fire emergency. They will be teaching you all the basic skills of how to rescue, how to give first aid. Okay, and at the end of the training, and maybe not sometime shortly, maybe sometime around the next month or the next couple of months, will be given to you with the emergency kits for each Yuva, Aapda Mitra volunteer will be also given with emergency kits. So the government has a very kind of detailed objective in organizing such training. It's not just out of the blue, or it's just under the leadership of classification of civil defense and from the District Disaster Management Authority. I would like to impress on the trainees for this last batch that it's not only about, because I know you all students of colleges, and I know that you have a lot to learn from both classrooms. But I'd like to stress also is be present when you need to be alive. Be conscious by the training that you have in this 7-day-long training. I hope that will make you more attuned and conscious to the environment. Now, suppose if you see something and